How to make Instagram account private. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. In order to set your Instagram account to the private account, first you will need to change it to personal account. Now, at the bottom you're going to find different options. Click on this profile option given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Scroll down. Under For Professionals, you will find the option of Creator Tools and Controls. Click on that option. Now head towards this option, Switch Account Type. Click on it. 2 options will pop up, Switch to Personal Account and Switch to Business Account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. Once you switch your account to the personal account, now you can head back. Come to the main page of settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Account Privacy. Now toggle on for the option of private account. If you switch your account to the private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. Click on Switch to Private. So this way you can easily make Instagram account private. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.